Jamaican senators sworn into the Senate or upper house on the recommendation of the Prime Minister and the Leader of the Opposition. We are joined now by two of the new senators, Senator Dr. Maziki Thame, PNP Senator and political scientist, and Senator Christian Tavares Finson, JLP Senator and attorney at law. Good morning to you both.
Morning to you both.
How that feel when I say it?
Senators.
Dr. Tavares, how that sound? You still...
It's sobering, you know, it's a lot of responsibility. Mm-hmm. So outside of the excitement of being outside Parliament, it certainly, I treat it as something very serious. Mm-hmm. And I have to do a lot of work internally to come to terms with the work in front of me.
Yeah.
So it's not all excitement.
Yes. Yeah. What about you, sir?
Yeah, absolutely. I echo those sentiments. I think, you know, for me, it's all about service. It's all about giving back to my country. You know, it just so happens at this time, this is the way in which I've been called upon to serve by the Prime Minister, and I thank him for that. You know, he saw it fit to appoint me to the Senate, and I treat that very seriously. Mm-hmm. And I expect that Jamaica will hold not only myself, but the government to account, you know, in terms of what we will do for the country. So.
Yeah.
Doc, let's start with you. You're new to most folks. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
So, well, I'm a lecturer in political science. I've worked in the university system, I would say for the majority of my adult life, but prior to that, when I just left university, I worked in the Foreign Service and then in community development. I worked at the SDC.